when I was in grade R, I remember key graduation, what, yabo. So then, Pana, they ask you, what do you want to be when you grow up? What do you want to be when you grow up? Apparently, I said I want to be Nicki Minaj.
Okay.
And then got grade 1, I do remember telling my mom, with anything in Yenza, in front of TV.
Oh.
So I did the freestyle videos, got viral and all of that. And then, Uzolani, I don't know if you know him.
Yeah, I know him.
Yeah. Uzolani was like, I don't know if he texted someone that posted my video saying that he wanted to manage me and whatnot and whatnot. At that time, it wasn't even a thing of like I wanted to be on TV. I wanted to be on TV because of adverts.
Okay.
I wanted to do adverts. Yeah, I didn't want to be on TV because when they rap. I didn't know rapping was going to take me there.
Okay.
Yeah. It was nice, but then I went to family. So it's not like I could go to the other people that follow me, like the people who followed me at the time, or Phantom Steez or whatnot. It's like I could just hit them up and say, I'm here, let's lock in. I just went there for that. Also, it was a weekday. I mean, there was a week, so it was a school day. So, yeah, I couldn't really meet up with people, but just being there, I knew. Even Panangobe shooter, there was Ndanaga Tolesmo, the guy. He was also there, Tolesmo. So I was like, like, okay, wow, like I'm here. And I'm not here begging. I'm not here hustling. I'm really just here like this. The same way is the same way I'm here. Yeah. So yeah. And also again, I was not speaking to a lot of people. I did not know of other people. I mean, I knew of them, but I was just not tapped in. And also, I'm not big on features.
Okay.
At the time, even I wasn't. Like, I don't mind if we do a song, we did it. I don't go out my way to go get a feature, yabo. Yeah. So, brother was like, nah, let's do a remix of the song. I'm like, okay, it can't be only him, man. That's how I saw it, and I was like, okay, let me get Holy Alpha. If we're being very honest, people just like clout, and I don't. Yeah. If I liked clout, I am telling you, I would have used Uefa. She's my friend. Yeah. I would have used, instead of my Nancy, the songs we have are not even mine. Yeah. If I liked clout, she has like 1 million followers. Choma sends TikTok every day. Choma, But that's not what I'm doing. Yeah.
Friends always have
You asking the wrong person. But then obviously if I say something, she'll definitely side with me.
Okay, Agazu.
Hi.
Okay. It's cool. No complaints. Otherwise, right?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm just tired.
Yeah.
I wanna be honest. I'm tired, but I'll be fine, man. I'll be fine.
Yeah.
It's one of those weeks. 2 weeks, Pof. It was really, really hard. 2 weeks, but yeah, we soldier on, man. We soldier on.
Yeah.
I wanna remind you of something.
Mm-hmm.
Do you remember in 2020?
Yeah.
During lockdown.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
I was live doing a show that is called Pandemic Sessions.
Uh-huh.
And I used to just play music for my people, like from all over the world, Nalapa locally.
Yeah.
And your sister surprised me with you.
Yes, I remember. That's the first time. Okay, that wasn't the first time I heard of you, but that was the first time seeing you.
Yeah.
Like while you were live, and then I was also there.
Yeah. What was the thing? Who said what? Okay, let's go. Let's join it.
No, the thing is, Ukutla likes playing, not playing your songs. There's one song I forgot by Teen.
Yeah.
So then I'd always sing it, and then she was like, whenever like you're live, I should just go check it out. And I'm not really big on social media like that. I don't really go on lives. I mean, at the time. So and then she told me you were live, and I was like, let's join.
Okay. Nice.
I remember.
Okay. Yeah. That was cool. Otherwise, it's your boy Kaufman. I'm out here in Cape Town. Barcelona, in a pole. South Africa, man, it's yet another episode of the Black Couch Podcast. Sibuyile Bafethu. Thank you so much to everyone who subscribed on our YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share. Santanda, guys, we're on road 5K. Please, guys, by the end of Feb, Stella 5K, so that we're gonna drop something really amazing. We're working on a 5-year documentary, Yekasime MTV. So if you want us to drop that, make sure you take us to 5K subscribers. Namhlanje, diphethe an amazing, gorgeous, smart, and energetic in a way, lovely, sweet, adorable young lady called Upluke Ukiti.
Don't call me Kitty though.
Why?
Long story. But yeah.
And just fool now. We have 1 hour.
No, man. I mean,
Is it?
I used to like the name, but then like, hey, Kitty sounds familiar.
Familiar.
I don't know. It just sounds
Not really.
familiar. It just sounds familiar.
Okay, it doesn't.
Yeah, like even no blue puff ngoko because there's a lot of blues. But then I don't know. Just that name Kitty Inenza. I don't know.
Yeah.
I feel like anybody can just be Kitty now.
Yeah. I think one of the things that were preview to, especially my age group here, boy, is that we've experienced so many, I would say, child stars, and seeing them from them being young until a older age.
Yeah.
I understand. From the days of Crazy, days of YoTV, even internationally, like That's So Raven, those kind of shows where you see people growing up and then Goku Batala, yabo. And you're one of the people who were introduced in the industry very young. Yeah, Bolawe. I want you to tell me, like, what are some of your memories, or like maybe a viral moment when you were starting doing what you love, which is music.
One moment that I can think of actually is, it's not, most people actually think it's when I started freestyling, and then Ona Jenakai followed me and all of that. Then people would repost my videos, because that's how people got to know me. But it's not that. It's actually when I was performing Kusnika Exchange. I got there late. It was a terrible day. Got there late. But then, like, when I got there, they told me I'm going to open for Aries. I was given all access. So out of everybody else that was there, I could go backstage, the VIP, whatnot. And I feel like at that moment, that's when my career started, I would say.
Yeah.
I think it was 2018 or
2018.
2018. I think 2018.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it was 2018.
Was Uti part of the friends? Because I know partially the story.
She has always been my friend, but then we weren't close. We only started being close last year.
Okay.
Yeah.
So she was not part of the dancers, or were they? Because you talked about dancers, I think.
Yeah. No, she was actually, we danced together. So she
Okay.
wasn't my dancer per se.
Okay.
Yeah. But we shot a couple of stuff dancing. We even danced Kwenye Ngoma we did ka Tumitladi with Samze, the other girl now, Low Metro Paid Tape, and I'm part of the project.
Yeah.
She was also dancing there.
Yeah.
So she's been there, but just in the background.
Yeah. I think people want to know, like, what kind of like inspired you to like start freestyling, because like sometimes it's very hard to like, I think be convinced about to like, because like a female, I don't want to be sexist,
Yeah.
but it's very hard to like see a female like really into hip hop, especially at a very young age, unless it's commercial hip hop. Yeah, I understand that, like your viral songs, Bolawe. But taking it far as like freestyling or even writing, it's like, okay.
I mean, well, I was a dancer first. I used to
Okay.
dance. I used to do hip hop.
Okay.
That grade 1, I used to dance. I danced hip hop. And then my dance teachers, they left. But join SA's Got Talent or something like that, but a competition. So
Okay.
they left. So then there was no dance. I couldn't do ballet, ndiqinile. I'm used to doing hip hop. So then I was like, yeah, let me just write poems. Then I started writing poems.
Yeah.
And this one guy at school was like, you should try rapping it out.
Okay.
And I was like, oh, okay. Then when I rapped it out, he was like, you sound like Nasty C. And I was like, I can be like the female version, but even better.
Okay.
That's how I pushed myself. So the poems that I'd write, I'd rap them out. Like Nifmani flow or melody, and I'd rap them out. And then I was like, actually, and also my swag at the time, because I was a dancer. So everything that had to do with hip hop, I just liked it from then. I was like, yeah. And it, well, in Beke, aside from a lot of people that I hang out with.
Yeah.
So not a lot of females were rapping at the time. They didn't care about Nasty C, who's Nasty C. Yeah, but they didn't care. So for me, in Beke, aside, and I felt like it's something that I'm doing, and I enjoyed it.
Talking about swag, don't you miss your hairstyle, bruh?
That one, I do sometimes, but then, actually, that hairstyle is mine. You are a young chum because I owned it. I didn't make it up, but yeah, I do miss it sometimes. I try here and there in my Nienza, but yeah.
That was like your
that is signature, a signature, yeah.
So like, tell me, man, because I've asked your sister this question, Abo, and I thought let me ask you also this question. Like, how's it like growing up in a Christian family and trying to get into like entertainment industry, and also those early days whereby you see, okay, I'm trying to commit to this thing, Bola way. How do you convince your parent that, sir, this is what I want to do?
Hey man, for me, I can't speak for her. I don't know how it was for her.
No, she answered.
Yeah,
already.
so I don't know how it was for her, but for me, I didn't even take it like that, because already, like, my dad was part of a group that was singing, I think in high school, if not varsity, I don't know, but like he was part of a group, so he is autistic.
Yeah.
My mom was act again, so she is autistic. So for me, it was just a thing of, yeah, I'm just doing it differently than you guys. You guys didn't have opportunities, so I can.
Yeah.
I can do it better. Yeah, bro. So it was just that thing. I wasn't even because I'm so PK. What are they gonna say? No, I was just like, this is what I want to do. And funny enough, when I was in grade R, I remember graduation, what, yeah, bro. So then, Pana, they ask you, what do you want to be when you grow up? What do you want to be when you grow up? Apparently, I said I want to be Nicki Minaj.
Okay.
And then got grade 1, I do remember telling my mom, with anything in Yenza in front of TV.
Oh.
So to them, it wasn't a shock, but yeah, I wouldn't say they were supportive at first. They were just letting me do what I want to do at this. Like, I think let's just see. And then obviously when I came back with the results, they were trusting. They were like, okay, yeah, go for it.
Yeah. You just said something that you said you wanted to be on TV, and eventually that happened. But I want you to like take me from the time you're freestyling and probably dropping the stuff online. Who noticed you at that time to say, okay, let's try and nurture this thing to something portable? Yeah, and also your first time on TV, how was that, and how did your family receive that?
So I did the freestyle videos, got viral and all of that, and then Uzolani, I don't know if you know him.
Yeah, I know him.
Yeah. Uzolani was like, I don't know if he texted someone that posted my video saying that he wanted to manage me and whatnot. At that time, it wasn't even a thing of like I wanted to be on TV. I wanted to be on TV because of adverts.
Okay.
I wanted to do adverts. Yeah, I didn't want to be on TV because when they rap. I didn't know rapping was going to take me there.
Okay.
Yeah. So he managed me. And then I think the first time I TV was on CTV. I don't know if he was still managing me at the time or I was with Mangali, so I'm not sure.
Yeah.
I'm not sure.
Yeah.
They'll confirm.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's when I was on, the first time I was on TV was CTV.
Okay.
And then after that it was Hectic 99, Hectic on 3, Crazy yeah.
Yeah.
Then music videos get on.
Yeah. And how did your parents receive that?
I'm shame they like things, so they were happy that I was on TV, but they weren't happy with how things started.
Okay.
Because I was a kid. I can't tell my mom, oh, I have this manager now and this is what I'm doing. Already, like, Lendium was too much.
Yeah.
And I would record on my phone because studio. What do I know about studio? Who's going to record me? And there's no older person that can speak to my mom for me.
Okay.
Well, at the time, there was no older person who could speak to my mom. They only started, like, letting me go and letting me, like, go to shows, go to studio, like, do anything that has to do with the music thing when I started working with Mangaliso, because I think also then they had a relationship with him. Mangaliso was my mom.
Okay.
So she was more trusting because now there's someone she can reach.
Yeah.
But back then it was just me, like, thriving. Like, I was like, I want this so bad. I want to do this and I'm not going to listen to anybody. Like, I'm just going to do this. So it made it easier 2019.
Okay.
When Mangaliso was managing me. But he managed me, I think, from 2018, like somewhere there. But 2019, I could say, that's when my parents were like, yeah, no, we trust you.
Yeah.
Even if Ningapuma and say, like, I'm going to studio now, but not whatnot. Like, they know, okay, yeah, it's legit. Like, I'm doing something serious.
Yeah.
So,
like, besides being on TV, like, what's that one thing you'd say that when it happened, you were like, yeah, this is my manager right now?
It was actually funny. It was when we went to Joburg together.
Okay.
Went to Crazy E. I had an interview and performance there. Okay. So I've at that time I've never been to Joburg. It was my first time going to Joburg, and I've always wanted to go. And the nice thing about it was, I wasn't the one doing a lot of things, because also remember, I'm in high school. There's a lot of things I have to worry about. I have to make sure that I pass. I have to make sure that the people get the music, the people get the videos. Every Friday I'm doing a freestyle video to show about, okay, I don't have music out, but I'm doing something. So I just felt like it was all his work. Okay. Well, I mean, everything else that I've done is his work. Because he was handling my social media. I wasn't posting. I wasn't doing anything. He'd just be like, oh, okay, this is what's happening today. Tomorrow you have this. Next week you have this. Please send me a video. Send Zalendo. And he'd post for me. So it was his work, and that's when I also started taking things serious, because I was like, now I have a manager. Like, I need to be serious. I even have a team, low key. So, and I'm going to Joburg. I think that was the biggest thing. Just me going to Joburg. I love Joburg. So that was the moment I was like, Blue K is Blue K now. I need to take this serious. Yeah.
So in passing, like, how was your first experience there? Like, when you got there for that interview?
When I got there, okay, I even took a flight for the first time.
Okay.
So that's another thing. And Moshem, he was so nice. He even told me, I don't know if the ears or something when it takes off or whatnot. Yeah, it was really nice. But when I got to Joburg, it was nice. But then I went to family. So it's not like I could go to the other people that follow me, like the people who followed me at the time, or Phantom Steez, or whatnot. It's like I could just hit them up and say, I'm here. Let's lock in. I just went there for that. Also, it was a weekday. I mean, there was a week, so it was a school day. So, I couldn't really meet up with people, but just being there, I knew. Even Panangobe shooter, there was Mdanaga Tolesmo, the guy. He was also there, Tolesmo. So I was like, like, okay, wow, like I'm here, and I'm not here begging. I'm not here hustling. I'm really just here, like this. The same way is the same way I'm here. So I'd say that day.
That's nice, man. That's nice, because like I've always not hated, never loved Joburg.
Why?
It's like the whole stigma is cooling us as artists to say that to make it you have to go to Joburg. up until I got involved in sports journalism. And then that's where I was forced to go and do Soweto Derby in Joburg. So that was like, okay, this is a cool reason to come here and check it out. And honestly, I wouldn't say I fell in love, but I'm happy about my life that side. Yeah,
I think also now I'm happy with my life that side, only because here in Cape Town, I feel like mna anifani nabanye abantu.
Yeah.
And in Cape Town, what I realize, that's just my opinion, if you're different or if you're too different, it's 10 times harder. It's already hard for those who are the same.
Yeah.
It's already hard for them.
Yeah.
Imagine when you're different. Imagine now you're too different. So for me, I just, even abantu that I look up to on that side.
Yeah.
Like the way I want to move, the way I want to do things, they're there.
Yeah.
So I felt like the reason, even till this day, the reason I love Joburg is because there's like 10,000 artists, a million even, I'm sure. But there's no competition.
Yeah.
No one really cares.
Yeah.
Whether you're dope or you're not, people just don't care. People are just there to do their own thing. If you make it, you make it. If you don't, you don't.
Yeah.
I like that. I feel like it's fair.
Yeah.
I think that's why I love Joburg so much, because I just feel like it's fair. Besides, get the people taking drugs, people dying and all of that. Well, yeah, I think that's also just how. Who do you mix yourself with there?
Yeah.
What do you do when you're there?
Yeah, the whole industry has already been designed.
Yeah,
like
it's
that.
designed, but okay,
It's just
you're gonna rap,
stores do you
go to
knock in?
Joburg, take drugs, die. Like that. That's what my parents also think now. Banyani, they don't like Joburg. They hate the fact that I'm in Joburg.
Yeah.
But they don't mind. But they just hate it. Shame.
Yeah. I wanna ask you about. This is a very. I don't think it's gonna be uncomfortable for you, but at that time, like you guys were like coming up. Eventually, there was like a lot of female artists like doing music, especially hip hop, in Cape Town at that time. And I just want to ask, like, did you feel any pressure, or like, did you feel any need to collaborate with some of those artists at that time?
No, man, I didn't feel any pressure. As I said, I'm different. Like I think I'm very self-aware also. So there's now why I do what I do. I know how I do what I do. So I don't try and see, they're rapping in vernac now, Namandi. No, I'll do it if I want to. It's not I'm not competing here in Cape Town. Let's say I was in Joburg. I think I would be like, oh, okay, no, I see, okay, get post on Naman post. They like, not even competition, but like, la pressure yoba to be consistent.
Yeah.
Here, at that time, I didn't even care about who's rapping, who's doing what. Because also, I wasn't on social media. Mangalis was handling my social media. So I did not even know if there was someone, or trendayo, or repileyo, or freestyle, I wouldn't know.
Yeah.
Like me, I just meet people at gigs. I remember, I think the first time that Banano D was, well, I wouldn't say errands, because then that day we didn't meet and like chill and speak. But I met her at the Sneaker Exchange 2019.
Okay.
There, Wayamba, No Snip, and I think a couple of other guys, I'm not sure. But there, I greeted her and I spoke to her. She's the only artist I knew of.
Okay.
The female artist that was rapping. Also, Maya Lee. But because Bebeke Kali Boy too, so I knew of them.
Yeah.
Other artists, I wasn't introduced to them. Like, I didn't know them. Unless I'd go to a gig. Na yum do perform a pana. Then I'd be like, oh, hi, I'm Blue K, you so-and-so. Nice song, nice performance. Bye.
Yeah. Yeah.
There was no pressure, shame. No, like there was no pressure. Like
I get you.
Yeah, everyone was just doing their own thing. Like, it was really fun for me.
Yeah. I want to ask you, like, how was the reception in school? Because we were still young and you were still in school. Like, how was that? Because now I started becoming a DJ in high school, ne? But up until a point, everyone knew, but they're DJ, and then people were calling me Black Coffee at that time, and it got out of hand when my teacher started calling me Black Coffee, and or geography, and she never really liked me because Dandy nonchalant when it comes to schoolwork, and you only need to be a scale because I knew, man, like nah, I'm different.
Yeah, you just this is what you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So like she started calling me black coffee and she liked it. Yeah, but nomads jumped in. I was like, okay. And now this call, but the reason why we use black coffee
It's
we are
because you
DJ.
DJ.
Yeah, but yeah. And then how was your experience?
It was really nice actually. But then I didn't like it when I was in grade 9. I didn't really like it.
Yeah.
So grade 8, when I was still working with Uzolani, that's when Blue K was now, everybody knows that I rap.
Yeah.
So I think I came back from school this one day, and then I don't know if he sent me the screenshot or I sent his sister, and then my sister showed me. That's when Nadia Nakai followed me. Casper reacted to my video. Everybody's just, the celebrities were just, you know. And then when I went back to school the next day, people were treating me different. And it was nice for like a week. And then the next week, I was bullied. Well, it was bullying. I didn't care, but it was bullying. If I think about it now, I was being bullied. Also, the fact that Weinberg. Now it's like, you have everything. You rap. Follow Shang Nadia Nakai. People thought I look up to Nadia Nakai, funny enough. Everything was just my whole high school, not whole high school years, but like those 2 years, Nadia Nakai. If I go to radio, it's like, you know. And also benfunda nabantu that are not, how do I say it? But like, if Nantlale Weinberg, abantu abahlale Weinberg don't really care that I rap.
Okay.
Then you get people from the township where they now go to a school that is not in the township. They see this kid or repayo, and I stay right here. I walk. I rap in English even. I look bougie to them. So they didn't like me. So it's like, you don't know, we struggle, you don't, type vibe. Yeah.
Damn.
But other than that, I was okay.
That must have been hard. Because like, I wouldn't say it's the same, né? But like I'm only experiencing something similar to that only now. Yeah, understand? But now I'm well equipped for it. Yeah, understand? I knew at some point it's gonna happen whereby people think that because like sometimes I'll speak English clearly up
once you take English wrong.
Yeah, and andiziva mna yabo umntu yastrugglisha yabo. The
minute you take English, just know you're wrong. You're so wrong. Even now at the shop. When I said water, I can sound like water. Like, and I'm just saying it like Jay in a jiggy way. Like, I speak like that. But
Nah, it's part of how. But I don't want to get into that conversation. Because now I'm a very blatant person. So
you need to. When you say something, we make it.
And look nice. I want to remind you of a very iconic day. And yes, that day I didn't think, because like as a media person, like especially when you cover events, it's either you get invited or you invite yourself. So when you invite yourself, you are looking for media accreditation. And sometimes you'd write an email. Sometimes you might know people who are closer to the event, so you can just message. But when it comes to international Kubevu, I was quite not sure if I'm gonna get that media accreditation. As I was not really close with the chance, and I always do ando ndiyathanda uzibekele ecaleni man. Gondi media sometimes umzekelo like ku-memorial service uza kum unongxoba kaxaka yabo works for Radio Sibonelo. So Radio Sibonelo was there. And she's like, Coffee, I'm from Robot Boy. Robot Boy. And then I'm about an interview, and I was like, but andizelanga interviews. Mainly I was focusing on what people have to say, so that I can share that thing. But if ever Ian's again by interviews, we can do it. And she was like, no man, the thing is they're born ba when are you always that person or ongakwaziyo uyothetha nabantu yabo, especially for me when I see a person feels like they're bigger than the platform. Understand vele ngoma and full away. So there was that kind of energy at that time, but funny enough I got the accreditation and I knew that I'm gonna link up with the best in Cape Town. Understand. And one of the moments was to actually approach you. I was like, oh my god, it was like Kalagavi.
And I already knew you at the time.
I know, but we hadn't met like
in person.
Understand? So I was like, yo, man, this nah, man, boy. Which was really, really nice. I want you to take me to that moment, like being approached. I think you had done the song already, the remix, right?
Nangoku, it was already done.
Yeah,
we even performed it.
Yeah, let's start it from Nangoku till that event.
So basically, I was performing with Stratosatune. That's how the remix came about. So, firstly, when I did the song, I wasn't trying to rap in vernac.
Yeah.
No one told me to rap in vernac.
Okay.
Also, I don't like being told. Hey, especially with my creativity, like it's my baby. Blue K is my baby. I know what I'm doing. So I got a beat. Mangaliso no Pesa. They always like so they chill. Pesa makes beats. Mangaliso sends them to me. Choose a beat. We organize a session. I write at home, so I just go record. No man recording 10. Then okay. Now I'm at school. We focus on dropping. So with Nangoku, it was around the time where now I was introduced to Holy Alpha as well. Okay, I know D. K-Kid, was she rap? She wasn't rapping in vernac at the time. I'm not sure.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. I think she was still, She's also like me. She's just here, like, yeah. So, I just recorded the song. I wrote the song in Lin. Went to studio, I recorded Nangoku. I didn't even know Man's I turned on. I'm bad with naming songs, hey? Then we were like, this is a nice song. We weren't taking it like I'm now Blue K is rapping in vernac. Yeah, Blue K is back and whatnot. We weren't taking it like that. It was just one of the songs that are going to be part of an EP. And then because when I performed it, people liked it. Yeah, but obviously they would like it because it's what's going on now. I mean, the females, the males, the Xhosa trap or whatever the community is called. Yeah, so it's like, there's another song to listen to.
Yeah.
Then when I was performing, Strato said to after performing, I think before I went home, I'm not sure. But Bravo came up to me and he was like, I want to do a remix of the song. And I was like, I don't mind. Well, I don't really care about the song. It's okay. And then when I went home, I was like, I can't have a remix when we're here. And also, again, I was not speaking to a lot of people. I did not know of other people. I mean, I knew of them, but I was just not tapped in. And also, I'm not big on features.
Okay.
At the time, even I wasn't. Like, I don't mind. If we do a song, we did it. I don't go out my way to go get a feature.
Yeah.
So, Bravo was like, let's do a remix of the song. I'm like, okay, it can't be only him, man. That's how I saw it. And I was like, okay, let me get Holy Alpha. Yeah. And then we did the song, and then we even shot a video. It was then I saw, okay, people are liking this vibe. If I can just keep it like this, but also with Blue K, then I'm set. And then he was like, I should perform it as well at was it a launch?
It was a tour.
It was a tour. He was like, I should perform it there. Then I was like, okay. Then we performed it that day. It was actually our first time performing the song. So I don't know, was he there? Because we were Uprav that day.
Yeah.
He was there, but while we were performing the song, he came in when it was about to be his part. I'm not sure.
Yeah. He was not always around
the
stage and all of that. Because I remember he was wearing that leather.
So then I performed there. Yeah. Oh, and also at the time, we were already in between me making the original song and the remix and performing at his event. We were hanging out. Like, obviously, I'd go to studio, he's there. I met other artists as well. Like if we're recording, ban or whatever. Yeah, so we were like, yeah. I wouldn't say together, but we were together.
Yeah. Is it the same time you were working with Umsai?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly at the same time.
Yeah.
We even have a song on the tape I did with Umsai. It's a love song. Funny enough, it's an R&B song. It's actually funny.
Yeah. What's funny about it? Was it dedicated to someone? What's going on?
No, actually, no. We just wanted something different, yabo.
Okay.
And then thing is, there's also some parts of the song like I never thought I'd do or I'd rap like that or anything. Yeah. And then I also at the time it was different for him because that wasn't his bag. That wasn't something he was focused on. Yeah. So yeah.
Yeah. But like at that time, how were you like keeping your composure? Or like anything that was happening at that time didn't faze you?
No, because that's not what I want. Not in a bad way, but that's not what I want. Like, okay, cool. I'm hanging with Bravo, Msai, or Holy Alpha, or D sometimes, or you know, I perform where they go. I shoot with them. D and I have worked on another campaign as well together. Like that's not what I want. Yeah. So it's okay. Like I'm happy that we're in the same space. High five. Nice seeing you. Ha. Like we chilled. Yeah. So I think that's why now I was calm because I was like, yeah, it was bound to happen. I mean, we all make music. So sonke. If not sonke, we'll meet at the gig or something. Yeah. But now my vision is there. Really, like I'm not saying we're here, but like I have my plans, man, are just crazy. Yeah, they're just crazy. Yeah. So being in Cape Town and hanging around certain people at that age that are bigger than me, it wasn't wow. It was just like, oh, okay, like I'm almost there. Yeah. I'm almost there. Every time it was just like, okay, yeah, you did this. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. Yeah.
So around that time, did you get any like brand deals, endorsement deals?
Not endorsement. I don't know if I can say brand, but I did Sports Scene, the Red Bat Ticket campaign. I did Reebok. I did Stimmerol, Flow Lab. I did. What else did I do? Those are the only ones I can think of top of my head. Yeah. Oh, MTN, Vodacom. Okay. Yeah. Also, those things weren't that big still. Wasn't enough. Yeah, it's not enough. I know what I want. It's there.
Yes,
but I'm grateful. I'm really grateful. Like it means something. If I can get those things, it means something. Yeah.
And according to you, what's the one thing that you wish that at that time you would have done it differently?
Oh. Just availing myself too much. Okay. I gave people like access kakulu. Okay. Especially after, I would say not after matric, but somewhere there. When I was in grade 11, 12, that's where I was like, okay, now things are different. Because now a lot of people know me. A lot of people have my number. Like, yeah, now there's people around me. It's not just the studio. Now it's a thing of we talk every day. Now it's a thing of like, oh, Blue K, I'm having a party, pull up. Oh, Blue K, don't cap in. You know, now it's like friendships and, you know, now it's deeper than what it was. It was really fun when it was just that. Nambendi's bullshit because I was like, well, both the type of person I am, if I don't have anything, I like disappearing. If I have nothing, I disappear. I don't want to be in front of people. I don't want to talk. I don't want to nothing because I feel like there's nothing I can offer. Yeah. But when I have things going on, I feel like it's good also for someone to be around me because now we're like, you'll probably see, but okay, there's something now where you could be pushed, you could be motivated. I don't know what, but yeah, you're not going to be dull. Because remember also, my friends don't do music. They're not going to say, Chomasa, Messia Studio. Yeah. You know? Yeah. So I know me going to studio is fun for them. Bakapamna. Yeah, but so yeah, I just gave people a lot of access.
Yeah.
And then in me giving access, that meant like, also I was a kid at the time. I'm still a kid, but I didn't know how to have boundaries.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know how to have boundaries, because then now I became a people pleaser as well. Yeah, I was a big people pleaser. So yeah, that's what happened.
Oh yeah, I get you.
I was just a people
I get
pleaser.
you. So like you finished matric and at some point you moved to Joburg. When did you move to Joburg?
Moved to Joburg 2023. Ne?
Oh, that's recent.
2023. Yes,
Yeah,
2023.
that's
Yeah, that's true. That's like
recent.
3 years ago, if not
Yeah,
two. Three.
two,
Yeah.
3, yeah. Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
what was the reason of moving to Joburg?
I always wanted to go to Joburg.
Okay.
I knew that if I want to go to Joburg, I have to go to school, because my mom is not
Okay.
going to let me go stay at Joburg and Deadwa.
Yeah.
So the only way was for me to get a school. So I
Yeah.
applied at Wits, and then they accepted me, and then I went there.
Okay.
Yeah, and then there I was just like, I mean, that whole year was just, as I said, a lot of people pleasing. Like I wasn't myself fully. Also, I'm used to having, well, umangaliso around doing things for me. Yeah, but I know for a beat I can just text to Pesa right now. We can just go to Vibes, you record a Plateau Clove. Also, the studios that I went to was not the same as when I started giving people access.
Okay.
Not to say I was better. I was not better than anybody or whatnot, but the brand Blue K is different. So the studios I'd go to, it would just be me in the studio. I'd record my 10 songs, I go home. I like that. That seemed like order to me.
Yeah.
But, and also I'm a kid, so I need order. I can't just be all over. You know, I'm a kid. Exactly.
Yeah.
So when I got to Joburg now, that meant independence.
Okay.
Mangaliso's not there. My mom's not there. My dad's not there. There's no one who can take me anywhere I want to go. My sister's not there. My friends are not here. I'm literally on my own.
Yeah.
Like, it was just that. And then it was dope though, because I did have someone who helped me. But then I don't think I was confident enough.
Yeah.
I think because of the people pleasing that I was doing from grade 11 to then when I went to Joburg, like, it was just a norm. I didn't see the need sometimes in studio to say, oh, I wanna put a verse. Yeah, well, yeah, I'm not like that. I don't do that in studio. If it's not my session, it's not my session.
Yeah.
But I'm just saying, azang and these, what's the word? Is kangas the right word? I didn't advertise myself. And also, bear in mind, when I was in matric, a lot of people knew of me already from Joburg. I've been saying I'm gonna link up with these people when I'm there. When I get there, I don't link up with them. I just disappear because I have nothing. Yeah, well, so I'm just like, ugh. I can't just call Phantom and say, "Hi, let's link." Da, da, da. No.
Yeah.
The linga nandoni. Like, I'd understand if I was like, I have a studio somewhere, let's go record. Da, da, da. Yeah, but I mean, he wouldn't mind just chilling with me, obviously, because we're cool. But still, me, I just don't like being around people and I don't have anything to give. I feel useless. So that whole year, well, for me, I was just there.
Okay.
Like, it was no longer I'm doing music, I'm pushing myself. Da, da, da. Now it was just more about school. Like, I'm in Joburg. If someone recognized me, hi. Just post a pic here and there. You recorded. You featured on this. Yes. It was never Blue K. Like, nah.
Would you say as time went, things started to change, or they haven't changed?
Things did change. They changed. Things changed.
Yeah.
Immediately when I got to Joburg, things changed. The plans that I had, I don't want to say I had to let them go, because I don't think I had to. If I could, I would obviously continue with them. I think I'm also of just people pleasing, so bengcingela abantu kakhulu and all of that. Like, I was shy, I was not confident, so I was just like, benchafile. I was like, it's fine. Anything to me was fine.
Oh yeah.
things that now when I look at them, I'm like, no, they were not fine. Yeah, but I disappointed Blue K.
Yeah.
I'd say.
But in this space of, let's say, 2 to 3 years, you haven't done anything that you feel like, okay, at least I didn't do much, but I did this.
I thought I was gonna feel like that after I dropped the video visualizer All Eyes on Me.
Yeah, I remember.
I thought I was gonna feel like that.
Yeah. You came with a different energy and different look.
Nah.
What happened there? What was that? What was that all about?
I don't know. I don't know. Like,
Yeah.
when I look at myself 2 years ago or last year even, I don't think I was me.
Okay.
Like, I think I was just okay with whatever's happening. Like, okay, now if this is what's expected of me, that's okay. That was my attitude. I was going through a lot, man. I was really just going through a lot. My attitude stinked at the time. Like, I didn't like it. If I look back now, nah.
Yeah.
Like, I can't even say, but if you listen also to All Eyes on Me, it's not a happy song. But if you listen to All Eyes on Me, Kapana Boy, which is inspired by that song,
Okay.
if you listen to that one, two different things. I mean, yes, obviously, the concept is different. But Pana, I'm more sad. Most of the things I'd rap about, even just recording those years, it's just sad stuff.
Okay.
It's just not sad, but like, I'm not confident.
Yeah.
Like,
yeah.
you can see, but yeah, man, something is not
Yeah.
okay. So yeah, I was just different.
Yeah.
I became, I don't want to say too old, because if I was too old, I don't think the old me is like that even. I just think I wasn't confident
Okay.
at all. Yeah, I was not confident, and yeah, that's not me. I'm very confident.
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't even talk a lot at the time. I talk a lot now. I was just
Yeah.
it's fine.
Yeah.
Anything like Nyan, I was just going with the wind.
Yeah.
And
yeah.
that's really sad, but I was just going with the wind.
Yeah. So, like, you recently came back. Let me say home. Home. You recently came back home and you started working somehow, and you guys managed to do a song, which is Singenile,
Yeah.
featuring
Me.
Briley.
It's actually Briley's song.
Yeah, it's Briley's
Yeah.
song. Featuring you, Effa, and Yara. How did that come about, and what was the process?
So basically, we wanted to have a session for Tinasoi 3,
Okay.
right? So when I came back, well, without
Tinasoi 3.
me, Briley, no Effa.
Okay.
Yeah. So when I was in Joburg, it has always been a thing that, okay, I knew Briley was sick.
Okay.
We spoke all the time.
Yeah.
Like, I'd always update her if there's anything happening. She knew that I wasn't okay. Even, yeah, she just knew, but man, she's not okay. Like, she's just not confident and whatnot. So, but then when she came with this thing that she has now, that she's sick, I can't I can't be the one now, Kalela Kuyo or whatnot,
Yeah.
yabo. So then after some time, I built a friendship, no Effa, without Uprili. I didn't know they were also that close.
Okay.
So when I came back, Effa was like, we should go visit her. And I was like, okay, yeah, but I won't tell her I'm coming back. I'll just surprise her, because she's been asking Banbianin.
Okay.
So when I came back, Effa, yo, Azekaya, and then we were like, okay, yeah, let's go surprise her at the hospital. Went there, and then, yeah, we had a chat. We were like, yeah, she needs to get back to music.
Yeah.
Because she's not dead.
Yeah.
Like, come on, friend, you're not dead. Like, you're fine now.
Yeah,
you can speak. You can, like,
Yeah.
also not with music confidence. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Boy, as a friend. So we're like, no, let's record. Yeah, boy.
Yeah.
We were gonna record at Briley's studio, but then her producer was busy. So then I was like, well, I have a session at Philippi Village.
Okay.
Yeah, but I had spoken to ZB. So I was like, we can just go to my session, we'll see what we do. Then basically this one day, we went to the mall. Then Effa was like, isn't that Uyara Lane? She just saw Afro, actually, funny.
Yeah.
So like, isn't that Uyara Lane? And I'm like,
Yeah.
Nah, it is. I wasn't even sure. But I was like, yeah, it is her, man. Then Sindile, we called her, and it was actually her.
Yeah.
And they were like, oh, you should pull up to studio. Like, we're just like, just pull up to studio. We didn't have a plan.
Yeah.
We got to studio, I think the next day, if not 2 days.
Sorry to cut you. She reminds me of you.
Nah, she reminds me of me. Not to be cocky or anything. She's really dope. Like, and also, I'm happy for her. Like, I'm just happy that she's even better than me, like, at the time. Like, I'm just like, like, I know how she feels. I know the feeling of being with Chick and like, you this kid, Uvela Cape Town, you did a song, you comment a celebrity and whatnot. I love that for her. I really love it for her. Even her own song, besides Go Singenile, she had her own motion before Tina, yabo. So I was just like, she reminds me of me. Low-key. Even the hair. But then we went to Philippi Village and then what happened? Oh, got to studio. I got there late. Always. I got there late. And then they already had chosen a beat. Yeah. And then Uprilo was like, she has a hook. And then she did the hook. And then I was like, okay, I'll just do something on the hook as well. Then F and Yara will do it back to back. Like, it just happened. We didn't even know Ngomi's out. We didn't know Baizabaikaban. We decided on the spot because obviously we need to know before we leave the session who's taking the song. And we're like, nah, man, really hasn't dropped. She's the one who's coming back, really. I've been there. I've been doing features. I've been posting them. Like, I don't need a comeback. So we're like, she can take the song. And then we just did our own content. We dropped the song. Nothing hectic. Yeah. And then this happened finally. Like, the song was not what we expected it to be. Yeah.
Did you guys shoot the music video?
No.
Oh, not yet.
Not yet. Yeah.
Okay. I think it does deserve.
Nah.
Yeah.
Because we actually, funny enough, we like Abandu now like came back because they see it's that time of the year. People need to start dropping now. I feel like it was a great starter for the four of us. It was like a great way to say, okay, now you know what to expect from either or. The song has good energy, man. It has that good energy. Because, like, I listen to music, right? I'm subjected to listen to music even if it's horrible. I understand, because I'm a media personnel, and whatever I talk about, I have to be aware, or well equipped to talk about something. Sound as if I'm ignorant or I'm not well informed. So I listen to literally everyone. I gotta listen to that song, and I was happy. About the song, like, and the nigga vibe, man. Like, it's nigga la weba song ngena vosh. No. So ngena by force.
Ivule mshai. Like, it's giving me like energy, away, and that's why I feel like a music video would complement way. Hopefully it goes that way.
Yes.
There's so many things, man, I wanna ask you, né? But I think we'll do this again in Joburg.
Okay.
Yeah, but we'll do this again in Joburg because, like, I'm probably in Joburg 5 times a year. Yeah, I used to be there 2 times a year, but the young woman in the news because there's so many things that I'm starting that side. And I want to build something with media and all of that, sports. But I want to ask you something, man. So this is a question that I love to ask people, and it's a 2-way question. So I want you to tell me that one thing that people say about you which is not true, and that one thing that you'd love people to know about you but they don't know.
What people know about me that is not true is that I am mean, I am rude, I do not like working, I don't like recording, I don't listen to people, I don't listen at all. Like, that's not true.
Where does that stem from, though?
A lot of people just say things about me. Like, I was having a conversation, I don't want to mention who it was, but I was having a conversation with someone, and that person was like, oh, I spoke to so and so, and yeah, he was telling me that you don't listen to people. And I was like, yeah, and tell him that especially males. I was just joking at the time, but like it touched me because I'm like, I listen. Like if you, I feel like most people that meet me, they have something for me.
Yeah.
Their thing.
Or they end.
Yes, like you have your own thing that you now projecting onto me.
Okay.
Like and that's not how it works. And also, I stand up for myself. I wouldn't say I'm defensive. I just think that if I know what I know, I know what I know.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. And most people don't like like if you just like that. If you say it just as it is, people don't like that. People like being listened to, but they don't want to listen. So what people know about me is that like I'm a rude person. I'm not friendly. I don't listen. I'll never get anywhere. They curse me a lot.
I think this thing reminds me of what you just said earlier on, Yoba. You at some point you were easy access. So I know for a fact that, especially here in Cape Town, so access means entitlement.
Yes.
In Cape Town.
Yes.
So when they have access to you or they know you, they feel like if they say interview, then I'll jump and say out Isa. But I have to vet you, even though I know you personally. I didn't give you access to my life so that you can exploit whatever I'm doing. If Stibene ngola hlobo ke loba ndiyakubawela nam ku-interview, then that makes sense. But if ever we're just friends chilling, if I don't feel like you're ready for an interview, I can't just jump
and go
do it. Maybe you uzohamba usitsho kuba
yes, that's the thing. So mna kuthiwa ke mna andifuna ufeaturisha. That's the biggest thing I've heard of Cape Town. That Blue K akafuna usifeaturisha, and I'm like, why don't you feature me? I'm not dropping. Like you get what I mean? And also I don't just drop. I don't just drop because I know what I'm doing. I'm different. I have a different plan for myself. Whether it will take me 20 years. That's cool. I know what I'm doing. I trust me, guys. I really know what I'm doing. Like I really know what I'm doing. I'm not being dumb.
Yazi, one thing that I always tell people is that no matter what you do, please enjoy the process.
Yes.
Because like, you know, people have this thing, man. I feel like in your bar, like, Yazi, you ngasen been a mention, ngasken Kobe bands.
How are you gonna drive it?
And I'm like, are you that dumb to think that when you get those things, uzoye kuba nengxaki, uzoye kuba sad, uzoye kuba.
Besides that,
it's like it's a facade that you will never get fulfilled by it when you reach it. So it fana nalandoba as an artist difunu popa.
Yes, that's my biggest problem.
Even if you pop,
people just like clout. If we're being honest, if we're being very honest, people just like clout, and I don't. If I liked clout, I am telling you, I would have used Uefa. She's my friend. I would have used instead of my Nancy. The songs we have are not even mine. If I liked clout, she has like 1 million followers. Choma sends TikTok every day. Choma, you know. But that's not what I'm doing. You know. So people don't want to learn about the business. People just want to rap. I be successful. Okay, and there's banjani. I be successful. Uzawubhanga zi-managers ne-label mos. You don't know anything. But then you're gonna come back and cry. But so for me, I know what I'm doing. I studied music. I did the business side of music. So I know how to treat the Blue Cape, and I know what I want for myself. I don't want to be famous. I don't care for being famous. I really don't. Me, I just want success and money out of what I'm doing. It's a business. I'm at work. It's my job. That's how I treat it. So well, that's one thing people think of me. Like feature what all these things that they say about me. They don't even really faze me, hey. But I'm just putting it out there so that some people that say those things, they know that I know now. And
that one thing that they don't know about you.
One thing that people don't know about me that I'd really like them to know. Should I? Well, that I actually don't care.
Okay.
I don't want to seem funny
Yeah,
or but genuinely,
Yeah.
it's never that deep.
Yeah.
I want people to always know that. So if I have an issue with someone, or if there's a misunderstanding, or if there's even like maybe songs that you took me out of or I took you out of, it's really never. I don't care. People like thinking that I take things personal.
Yeah.
And I don't, unless it is personal. If it's just work, come on. I don't care. You could do whatever. You could go jump in the lake. I don't mind.
Yeah.
Like it's So one thing that I want people to know is that I actually don't care. Like I'm a free spirit.
Yeah.
Also, I'm friendly.
Okay.
Opposite. Everything that I said that they said I was, opposite.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
I got you.
I'm really nice, guys.
Yeah. There's so many questions, man. Zmanezi, yabo. We're gonna have to cause I wanna do like a very chilled episode.
Yeah.
Like a very, very chilled, cause I already have the sequence and the energy for you on Nabo. It's very chilled. It's like into detail, yabo.
Yeah.
Cause I don't wanna rush things. Yeah, I understand.
Yeah.
But at the very same time, I know people would want me to ask that.
Yeah, they wanna know now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But Kona le episode difuna whereby it's gonna be really, really chilled.
Okay,
like
I don't mind.
super, super chilled. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we get into the nitty-gritties of like what's the blueprint of Blue K.
Yeah.
See what I did? Yeah. So we're gonna do that in Joburg. And if guys you have any questions for her for that episode, please let me know on the comments so that when we do that episode I'll be able to ask her. Make sure your question has like some juice, man, some like some substance. Yeah, not those cliche questions. Yeah, bengathi job interview. Yeah,
How old are you? What's your favorite color? Why the name Blue K? What do you mean? Why the name this T? Like, that's my name, I guess.
Yeah. Before we close, like, is there anything you want to share or you're working on or something you want people to know?
I just want to say I've been saying I'm back, but I want people to know that, well, because I had already mentioned, but I was not okay. I am okay now. I found my feet again. I found my mojo. I'm good. I feel back, so I know that I am back. What you guys can expect from me from now, new music. And if not new music, but content. I will be alive. I will be there. I will be checking my comments. I will be responding to comments. Like, I'm back. Yeah.
Okay. That's nice. Any shout outs?
Shout out to my mom.
I remember it as a TV.
Yes, any shout outs. Man, just shout out to everybody who's part of my journey.
Yeah.
And was.
Yeah.
Like, shout out, guys.
Yeah.
You had to put up with me.
Yeah. Shout out to Uti.
Shout out.
People are wondering about balloons. I'll make a picture. Yeah, man. I love people who are closer to creatives. Yeah, I understand. They play a huge role, man. I have so many people that are close to me, and benzi izinto ningonozi imagine, but like bangazenza yabo, they keep me sane. Some they are also artists, yabo, and abanye benzi izinto bengacelwanga.
Yeah,
understand. Umuntu akusurprise khona umuntu emfuna umshout out uyazazi. I think ubukele oko bendrophe ekhaya kule veki busy without me even asking him to like go and drop me home. Yeah, understand. Athi coffee uzwama ndoni. Yabo, he's always in the same spaces as me. Uzwama ndoni. And he has a public request that hands a drop. Yabo. Those kind of people. Yabo. I feel like Uti is someone
she
like
is.
that.
She is. She is.
Don't you want to say something about her?
Well, like, if I'm being honest, Nam, people don't know what happens behind closed doors.
Yeah.
And I recently posted on my status, I don't know if you saw it, I was just thanking Oprili basically.
Okay.
No, F, I was like, thank you for just accepting me for who I am. Also, I never wanted people to, whenever I have like, not fights, but like things that as in the ends are off, I never wanted my friends to choose or to fight my battles. My friends don't do that. None of them. I've never had anyone who stands up and say, no, they don't do that. And I appreciate them for not doing that. I don't want that. They're just hearing me out. And then they're like, you know what, girl, that's not you. That's not the blue K we know. So bro. So shout out for putting up with me.
That's amazing, man. Thank you so much, man. Highly appreciate you. And thank you so much everyone who has been watching. Make sure you subscribe, you like, you comment, you share, and tell everyone that Ikasime MTV is here to stay, man. Love you long time. It's your boy Coffee. Mauche in Cape Town, Barcelona, Machijo Menglau, in a bowl. South Africa, man. We're out.